Netskope falling despite reporting revenue beat after strong full-year guidance. Despite the dip, the stock's still up from its IPO in September. Joining me now in a CNBC exclusive is Netskope founder and CEO Sanjay Beri. Sanjay, good to see you.
Yeah, great to see you again, John.
So 34% year-over-year rise in annualized recurring revenue, more than 1,000 customers. What's driving the adoption of your various products in the latest quarter?
Ultimately, as people adopt more cloud and they adopt more AI, they need to secure that. They need to say yes to cloud and AI in their organizations. And we're the company from a security and networking perspective that lets them say yes. And so that's a big driver. The other one, to be frank, John, is awareness. We have an amazing win rate when we can get into a customer and talk to them about what we do. And so, frankly, one of the reasons we even went public was to raise that awareness so we get more at-bats. And that's been a driver as well.
You got a collection of more than 20 products, I believe. You say 53% of your customers are using more than 4 products, 26% more than 6. What characterizes the ones who are using more products? Usually that's a very good impact on net revenue retention.
Absolutely. So we're a platform, and we try to converge and consolidate what used to be called data network security, one of the biggest markets in networking and security. And customers, mid to large enterprises, and we deal with large enterprises across the board, they stair step into the platform. They may start and say, look, I want to secure cloud. I want to secure web. Now I'm going to enable and secure AI. Now I'm going to modernize my network. And so it's a natural path. They start with 3 or 4, and then they grow over time. And the focus for us is make it easy. Make it easy for them to adopt more. The implementation time is short as you adopt more.
There's a lot of talk about the shift toward inferencing in AI, away from just training these models on corporate data toward using the models to actually make decisions, to deploy agents in the enterprise. As that deployment happens, to what degree do you expect that to be a driver of further adoption of Netskope? And do you have a rough estimate of which quarters you expect that to kind of show up in?
Yeah, so first of all, we see all that inference traffic. For many of our customers, we are their new network. We're the on-ramp to the internet, the on-ramp to OpenAI, the on-ramp to Claude Code. And so we see it. And so it's natural they come to us and say, well, look, I need you to put guardrails around it, around that inference. So if I'm in a healthcare company and it says, hey, I need you to reformat this PHI for me, well, you probably don't want to do that to a public LLM. And we are the company that will stop that from happening and coach them to say, hey, look, do that on your private LLM, and here's the on-ramp to that. And so we're starting to see that already. Over 1,000 customers of ours are using us to enable and protect generative AI. But we're really in the first inning. John, you may not know this, but 90% of AI usage in a company is shadow. Mm-hmm. It's not owned, or corporate IT is saying it's procurement or an engineer bringing it in. And so making sure you understand and know that that's happening and can say yes, but put these guardrails, that's a very big trend, and that's really why we're brought in many cases.
Sanjay, a lot of times investors sort of lump all of cybersecurity together. You guys have a technology alliance with CrowdStrike. Explain, if you will, how that works.
Yeah, sure. So in security networking, I'm not a believer, and neither are CIOs, that you need one platform for all of security and networking. You don't want 100, but you don't want one. And you get the best sort of nothing if you have one. And so you need a few. You need a few core platforms. One of those is CrowdStrike and your EDR platform, right? Your endpoint platform. Another is your identity platform. And another is what we do, which is the evolution of data network security, right? Governing your data, threats, putting guardrails around it, called SASE. And so what we do is we make sure we integrate with your endpoint system and your identity system, share for that customer data so that they operate better, 1 + 1 = 3, and promote an open ecosystem. And I think that's what enterprises want. We have a common enemy, and the enemy is criminals, nation states, malicious insiders. And so we got to make sure that these platforms interoperate together to fight that common enemy.